Beginning of the next video. Engine brackets, mounting brackets are on. Transmission brackets, or gearbox brackets as I prefer to call it, they're on with the bolts ready to receive. Orgasm time. Fan is on. I will be taking it off. I just had to put it on there. I couldn't help myself. Look at that. Beautiful. Crank pulley on. And belt tensioner on. And this is where it mounts. So do take note of that. It mounts on this side. And the back of the belt goes on there. Goes round here. And this is the generator bracket, and the generator sits here, sticks out with the pulley on, and that is one of the next things I have to do. Oh, damn, doesn't this look sexy? I'm sorry, I know it's a piece of metal, but guys, you understand, and girls, if you don't, you should, because these things are sexy. Oh dear, I sound really weird now, but hey, too bad. And come over here. This is the generator that's going on there. I don't know yet how to test it off of the vehicle. I'm going to try and figure that out. This is a spare one I have, so that's going to be going on eBay. And this is a spare damper I have. This is off of I want to say off of a 4.2 engine. It's not off of a 3.8. It's off of a much later engine. So I'll be chucking that out on eBay, so any of you guys watching that may need these items are going to be at a sensible price. So keep your eyes out for that. Alright, time to get this beast right here. Sorry, just trying to make you dizzy. And take it apart, give it a good clean up, clean all the brushes, replace the brushes if need be, clean all the connections, cleans the commutator, powder coat the casing, polish and probably powder coat the I don't know what you want to call them, end plates, powder coat the pulley and the fan, and the bracket. So that's my next job, is to rip this baby apart, give it a good clean up. Don't know if I'll release this video just yet. Maybe I should just give you a quick 5-minute update so you can get all excited. Now, control yourselves. No, you mustn't do that in public. Okay, boys and girls, here we go. Now, I've taken the bracket off, taken the pulley off, I've taken that off just by basically removing the nut. Now, there is a keyway on there, so that may have to come off before I can pull the shaft out. Let's okay, get a big ass screwdriver on this. Now, yeah, I'll confess I did crack these earlier. Because I'm a cracker. Hey, cracker. Ooh. Ah, they're gungy, huh? They're going to be cleaned up. Man, oh man, are they dirty. Alright. Now, ooh, oh, look at that. Oh, here we go. Oh, I just heard the bushes clicking. So, alright. Now that commutator, which is this piece here, by the way, in case you didn't know, this is called a commutator. So I'm going to clean that up. It's not terribly worn, and I will polish it. Not sure about the bearings there. Maybe I can just take them apart and grease them up. I'll clean all this up before I do anything else with it. I'll give this a damn good clean inside. Actually, those brushes, I don't know if you can see them, they don't look bad. As in, they're not worn out. I didn't expect that to go that far. Yeah, those brushes are good. So that just needs a damn good clean up. So we got that to clean, we got that to clean, we got in here to clean. My God, look at it. Wow. Alright, so the next part is going to be clean this all up and then reassemble it. I won't show you how to clean things. I'm sure you can do that yourself without my help. And that obviously has to be cleaned. Bush looks good. This is going to be blasted and powder coated. That's going to be blasted and powder coated. That's going to be blasted and powder coated. That's going to be cleaned. Not sure if I will powder coat it. There's a lot of components on there that I may not want to mess with, so I might just clean that up and give it a quick clear coat lacquer, and probably the same on this end. Clean this up and then give it a nice clear coat lacquer. That other unit that I have that I'm going to put out onto eBay, I've seen refurbished ones out there for over $1,000. That is fucking crazy in my book. Someone's got delusions of grandeur. That other one, I'm probably going to put it out there for like, I don't know, 150. Does that seem fair? Seems fair to me. 150 bucks. I believe it's in working order. I can't swear to that, but I do believe it's in working order. But I would still recommend you do what I'm going to do here. Take it apart, give it a damn good clean. There's not much to go wrong. The worst you can have to do is replace some brushes. Maybe a bearing if you're really unlucky, but that one span and it didn't spun didn't seem that bad. That's up to you guys. You may not even be in the least bit interested in that. I'm just waffling. Alright, let me get on with cleaning this and I'll show you the reassembly in the next video.